वेलकम टू नवाश ब्लॉग। और गाइस आज हम करने जा रहे हैं स्पाइसी नूडल्स चैलेंज एंड आशु will write the introduction of it.
Okay.
What will happen?
So we have one is, I think for me it is masala spicy, and this is, I think, ketchup spicy, right?
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah. This is ketchup spicy. So we have to finish this full by eating a certain half part. Maybe 1 to 2 minutes we will keep, maybe timer. So we will start eating this. Who finish first, no punishment. If did not, means.
So guys, आशु को नहीं पता है
So
कि
that
इसके
much
साथ
I
क्या होने
will
वाला
see
है.
this. I
So
think
just
too much
wait
spicy is
and
there.
watch.
What do you think now? I think I don't know how this is going to taste, but if I see that, it's like I think cameraman took revenge up of me. I think he put so much spicy up of this. Okay, so we'll start.
Let's start off. Okay.
So much spicy, people. Please don't try this. How my tongue starts burning now. No, it's fine. It's spicy. It's okay. It's too much. My tongue starts burning. Very spicy, you know. Tongue is burning inside. I think so. You know, I got a habit of sitting now. First of all, I was really sitting now. A lot of people, please, I beg you, don't try.
Guys, like the ketchup chili you can have side by side. Noodles never try.
Don't make a fight, it will go above this.
Very simple. Okay?
Oh yeah.
Let them be. Wait, water. You can't drink water.
No, Navdeep, we can't drink water.
You should ask me. Can I have water, please?
Water is out. Water is out. Navdeep, you want to quit? Navdeep, what give up this side? Still, guys, cameraman really took revenge of me. I know it very nicely. But I would still give up. How much, for me, I have eating so much spicy breathing problem will come. But still, I won't give up. No thanks. So my
Already stomach is full and you know he has mixed both together, powder plus ketchup. Both it's a bit spicy also. Ketchup okay I can understand, but then chili powder also I have mixed.
Oh my god, people, see this last part I reached. See this, what he did. That much spicy. It's there in the tongue. It's, you know, it's burning in the mouth, you know.
You can try noodles but less spicy, not like how cameraman has cooked. How our team has cooked is spicy. Not like cameraman, our team. Ashu quit.
No thanks. If I quit also, you will lose. I will win.
That even I know. Like anyone should quit. Already in 7th school. I can do it.
He took revenge of me, your cameraman.
Not cameraman, full team only did this.
Yeah.
Full team.
We don't know who is behind this. Full team or full cameraman only.
Full camera.
I mean, sorry. Camera. Maybe. Only this much.
Hey, look at this spicy. Damn.
Look at her plate and my plate. I'm trying my level best to eat this. I think I can finish.
You can do it, Aishu.
Yeah, the cameraman or team gave you a little spicy for me. Spicy water is there.
Dude, little spicy also I can eat. Stomach is full. How much you made me to eat ice cream? Purposely you made me to eat all those, huh? Shit.
Really, I didn't do it purposely because she came my home. That's why I just as a friend. I am your best friend.
Yeah,
so
yeah, what
as a
to-
friend, I gave her to eat something. She's thinking in ulta way that I don't know, but still. You quit?
No.
Good.
I won.
For eating this, at least I can get saved.
Yeah, first two vlogs I ate chili. Now this is your turn. We eat spicy.
That's why the team took revenge from us.
See, they all love me. What to do?
What is this team? Comment down below. I have to take revenge on her or not.
No,
Should comment down
no,
below.
no.
Comment
No
down
revenge.
below.
No
Comment
revenge.
down below.
See, it's not my idea. Okay, it was team idea. What?
Nothing.
It's okay. It's
People
okay.
heard what I said.
It was not my idea. It's the full team. Okay.
Okay. See, I'll show you near. Okay. See.
It's like I won't tell you anything. Except
Bloody Mary is blood. Okay. Bloody Mary. Bloody Mary. Bloody Mary. Tudan. People, if you want, comment down below. Okay. Surely our team will make this and
No,
give to
they
you
make
people.
worse than this and give to you. Damn sure.
No, we won't do like that all. See, saying bad things about our team.
Full team is there. You can ask our team. Not even eating.
See, we took more than 4 hours maybe. to
4
eat.
hours. Anyway, Ashi, we'll tell it to you. It was a prank. You were having chili, I was having tomato ketchup. Our team put for you chili and gave, and for me tomato ketchup. What do you want water?
See team, I will surely take revenge about this.
This full team script written.
You people wait and watch to get her prank. Comment down
It
below
was
that.
not my idea, it was team's idea which I had to do it.
Comment down below that I have to get revenge on her or not. Because she badly pranked me.
No.
See the plate, you can see the plate. That much powder.
So
he
I
has
didn't
put.
put that much spice. Our team put and gave, okay? Our team put and gave for us.
But
both.
still, you was there with them.
I was not. Yeah,
You
okay.
was
because-
there with them.
Because the team, right? Obviously.
So
The team was
I
there.
can't do.
Hey guys, welcome to Nawa's vlog. और guys आज हम करने जा रहे हैं spicy noodles challenge. और guys इस challenge में आपको तो वीडियो के बाद ही पता चलेगा. तो हम अभी आ जा रहे हैं किचन में, ठीक है. अभी हम लोग डालेंगे आशी के मैगी में 10 स्पून स्पाइसी पाउडर. तो गाइस देखते हैं उसका रिएक्शन क्या होता है वीडियो के बाद. और वीडियो के चाहिए। तो देखते क्या करना है, और आप एंड तक ज़रूर देखना, ठीक है, कोई भी पार्ट मिस मत करना। बाय।